We asked in a recent article whether 2021 would be a year of recovery. Working through those letters are the release of the UK from the EU and the impact it's likely to have on both sets of economies. E for economic repair. It's now of course largely expected that 2021 will be a rather more sedate year for some kind of economic global recovery. C, the China-US relationship does remain something of a thorn in the side. It's difficult to say whether the new president will bring with him a rather more conciliatory tone. O, online. We've seen some accelerated shifts to online behaviour, including retailers of course, but also the working from home culture. Have things changed for good? V, the vaccine. The question of course now is the distance between discovery and distribution and how short that period might be, because needless to say, the quicker the vaccine is out in the general population, the quicker economies can recover. E, ESG. 2020, pretty much the year when ESG came of age. You can now expect that in 2021 companies will be paying even more attention to this very important issue. R, risks. Of course, there are also going to be risks coming along next year. Big tech in the US, for example, coming under some sort of regulatory scrutiny. The concerns that perhaps some of the monetary and fiscal easing might be withdrawn too soon. And also, of course, this trend towards deglobalisation, whether we could see further supply side disruption. Year-on-year comparisons for the Y could be very interesting. Obviously, during various quarters of the year, we've got rather different things to compare to. For example, in terms of the second quarter of 2020, this is when the pandemic really hit. So that should be an easy comparison for 2021. Equally, the third quarter of 2020 saw some sort of recovery. So the 2021 comparison could be rather more difficult.